Hey, good afternoon, everybody. It's Mike with smartoptiontrading.com. It is Friday, the 19th of September. This is our weekly recap. Been a bit of another very bullish week here in the markets. First off, if you want to join me, come over to smartoptiontrading.com. I'll put a link in the description below. Click on our live trading alerts and join us in our Discord room. We'd love to have you. So let's talk about what's going on here, and let's just go to the SPY and start there. And you know, the SPY just is melting up, right? You see these purple lines. This is an ascending channel we're in, and we've been pushing against the top of it now for the last couple of days, but haven't been able to break out. We had the Fed decision on Wednesday, and the Fed came out and they cut 0.25, and the dot plot's all over the place, but you're likely to see more rate cuts this year, probably at least one more, but it's murky. And then we'll see who replaces Powell in January because, it's pretty much a foregone conclusion that he is not coming back at this point. So, SPY on the highs, the Qs new all-time high as well. The IWM yesterday pulled today, but put a new their all-time high in here. So the Dow, the financials just off of it, but the banks themselves, JP Morgan, new all-time high today, Goldman, Bank of America, right? You get the idea here. They remain extremely, extremely strong. Bitcoin remains stuck, doesn't want to break out yet. The VIX, you know, all over the place, but not doing anything. Bonds are weaker. What's going up, bonds? Well, the market was looking for a better cut or better clarity, and it didn't get it. So you have that kind of going on there. So what was good this week? Tesla was tradable multiple times. Tesla, obviously, huge news on Monday that Elon Musk bought $1 billion worth of stock. And you have this gap up and hold, and we've elevated up a little bit. We talked in the room about how obviously somebody knew this was coming. That was the front run of the first 2 days before that. Overall, big move on Tesla this week. Lots of trades to be had there. Amazon provided trades but didn't go anywhere. Google continues to just levitate. We traded that. New all-time highs here. Every day is a new all-time high on that one. Um, Apple here has been trying to push up new highs here for the recent highs, not at a 52-week high or an all-time high, but pushing up and has been going through this gap here this afternoon and holding in. Nice move on that one. Meta tried to go but couldn't, came back down, and sometimes it's just not meant to be. We did trade that though. There were some nice trades on that. NBIS with that Microsoft investment, nice move here, and still looks very, very good. Palantir gave some trades, not the easiest here. I actually lost money on it earlier this week, but Palantir pushing back up, looks like it wants to go back to the all-time high. Hood looking good. Coin is trying to push into this gap, just struggling. Long some core weave trying to push up as well, also trying to go. We saw names like QBT and the quantum names running wild. Soon absolutely went ballistic. We saw a lot of names like this. SoFi put a new all-time high in. I mean, this market remains so incredibly strong. It's just not funny. The semis put a new all-time high in after Intel. What do I think of Intel? I think this deal with Nvidia is a whole lot of absolutely nothing for Intel and won't hurt anybody else. We've been trading AMD here, trying to play that bounce because I thought that got beaten up, unfortunately, in a bad way. ARM's still not coming back, but I don't know why. It really doesn't hurt them. Nvidia bounced back up, overall looking good, and the market looks fine. As we go into next, BMNR also had a nice week, right? We had a nice week on that one. And this market is just a market of names, right? Market of names here, and it keeps trading well. We go into next week, and there's an old Wall Street adage, um, sell Rosh Hashanah, buy Yom Kippur. Well, Yom Kippur starts on Monday night, and I think that Yom Kippur is the following Sunday. I'm not 100% sure on that. You guys will have to help out on that one. But bottom line here is next week is historically um, not the easiest of weeks, usually a down week here in the markets, but that doesn't mean it's going to be. It doesn't have to be. So, we'll see kind of what we get here. We'll see how the market trades. If you want to join us, come in. I'm away for this weekend. I'm leaving early tomorrow morning, and I will not be back in time to do charts or video, guys. So I will do a special video for members on Monday morning. Everybody have a great weekend. Enjoy yourselves, and I'll catch you guys then.